Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn XRP in Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is simply make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're dropped at the overview where you simply scroll to your spot wallet or your funding wallet depending on where your crypto is. If your XRP is on the funding wallet, click on transfer, click on the Bitcoin, search for the XRP, and simply transfer your available XRP from your funding to the spot wallets and click on confirm transfer. Once you've done this, head over to the spot wallet, click on the XRP token itself, and click on the Binance Earn feature. Once you selected the Binance Earn feature, simply scroll through and select the flexible plan. By doing this, you could be subscribing for bonuses and staking rewards. So now if I were to give them 1 XRP as the minimum says, my daily estimated reward is 0.407 XRP. And you can increase this by increasing your subscription amount. So simply click on the confirm option. And by doing this, we've activated the Binance Simple Earn feature for our XRP. And you can track this by scrolling over to the Earn menu, earning accounts. And here we go. We've got some XRP in the flexible plan. And this is the real-time appreciation of value and some other cumulative rewards and bonuses. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.